Lavender Tealight candles. Highly scented with essential dot and natural oils. 2.5 hours burn time, dripless, long lasting. By 30 pieces, $5.99 only. By 10 pieces to $1.99 only. Special feature, long-lasting, scented, and eco-friendly. Perfect for everyday use, weddings, events, and special occasions. And also for romantic dinners, indoor or outdoor events. Our lavender tea lights are hand-poured. Made with natural paraffin wax. These calming candles create a serene and relaxing atmosphere. Fresh air and relax the body. A clean burning natural fiber single lead free wick, completely non-toxic. These tea light candles is great for relaxation and stress relief. Freshener, releasing a luxurious, inviting, and comforting aroma. Designed to burn all the way to the edge and bottom with a good scent throw. They can purify the air when burned. Ideal for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in any setting. Leave your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.